This is a rambutan, and it also is a very scary alien looking plant. But inside will shock you and me, because in today's video, we are going to see exactly what's inside. Before we do that, let's take a closer look. This is a rambutan, a very spiky, alien-like plant. And in today's video, as we mentioned, we are going to take a closer look inside. Wow. It's not that hard. And the hairs on the outside isn't that spiky, which is a good thing because this would hurt. It's like a friendly porcupine. Well, let's take a look, see what's inside. All right, the moment we've all been waiting for. Whoa, look at that. Very juicy. And this was what's inside the rambutan. I think there's something inside of this one. Wow. There you have it. Inside the rambutan, there's an actual seed. This strange looking plant sure is beautiful in the inside. Well, that's all that we have in today's video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. G out.